we get to that, look at this right here. What the hell is going on here? What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. We are back for another video at a mall I haven't seen in a while. Let's go see what's up here. Out in Montebello or Montebello. Shops in Montebello. This is the mall here. Do got a BJ's here. I don't know if you guys have messed with the BJ's app. Man, their pizzas, I think if you order off the app, you get 50% off their pizzas for takeout. Such a great value. Pizzas are good as hell. All right, let's go see what's up at this mall. They do got a chic. I'll definitely be checking that store out in a minute. Reason I actually came here is Borders. This is a board shop, a skate shop, and they got a lot of stuff. Wanted to check on one thing. I actually came to see Lakai's right here, to be really honest. Something that most of you guys haven't seen. But before we get to that, look at this right here. What the hell is going on here?
Ones as well?
Do got these dunks right here, the SB Dunk Pros. I can't believe they have these. How do they have these? I don't remember the colorway, but they just came out, what, a couple weeks ago? And yeah, I can't believe they still have these here. These are a size 8 on display. I did see these at Extreme Board Shop, but yeah, it is wild to see both of them here. They do have a size 8 on display. Usually they have 8 on display, so they might have a ton of sizes. That's crazy. I'm not digging the colorway though. I love the long hair suede, but I'm just not digging the colorway, so I'm not grabbing them. So I did come to look at these Lakai's. Lakai, that's what it's called. Yeah, it's on the website. They had one, or they have one right now, where the panel and the toe box right here, it's white, and then once it hits the UV rays, it turns blue. It turns like this color. I'm like, that's fire. I want one of those, but they don't have it here. It's very similar to that one. I think it's similar to that one. This one has like a skull in the back. That's actually pretty fire. Well, these go for 90 bucks. These are called the Telford Lows, and they obviously give a Dunk Low vibe. Definitely look like the Dunk Lows, but they look different enough, you know? The panel right here, and it's just different enough. The back part and stuff, way different. So the midsole as well as the outsole, way different as well, because some of them, they're just straight knockoffs. It's all black. The white midsole right here, 85 for these. They got other Lakai's right here. I don't really know the name of all these. The Flacco tubes, 30% off of those, and they have some decent materials. All right, I'm gonna wait for those. That's still available on the website, so I'm gonna wait to see if they get them here. They got some slippers. I thought they were banana slippers. They got slippers right here. These are down to $5. $5, really? What the hell? These are cheap as hell. Holy cow. And normally I would just buy one of these for trade bait, but I don't even want to do that, to be really honest. I don't really have funds like that right now, and I'm heading to Vegas in a bit. You got these SBs right here, these Deconstructs or something. These are all Dunk Hype Pros too, by the way. I don't know the difference between the Pros and the regulars. I know they're SBs. I know the difference between the SBs, but I don't know the Pros. And I think this is one of the newer silhouettes. These are the Leo Bakers, and these are pretty interesting. Yeah, different enough. These are what, $95, and they got stuff on sale right here. The BRSBs, 20% off for these, and then the Niger Freeze, 40% off for the Niger Freeze, and then even the Grant Taylors. These are pretty much blazers, 30% off blazers. Like, they're nicer material though. But yeah, that's not bad. Shoe Palace. I've found some pretty dope stuff here in the past. Let's go. All right, this is where I grabbed these bad boys right here. Well, the powder blue one. Did grab those bad boys right here. Grabbed them for hella cheap. This shows $60. I guarantee you if they ring it up, it'll ring down to 50, because it's 50 pretty much everywhere else. And the way Shoe Palace does it, usually if it's on sale, well, one spot's usually on sale everywhere. Do got some Vans, $20 old schools. That is hella cheap. Got some skate lows, skate highs, $40. These ain't bad right here. You know, 40 bucks though. Checking out the Great School. I have not seen these. I've not seen these in a while. What the hell were they calling these? Were they calling these the Concord ones? If I remember, the Concord ones or something. These are pretty fire. That is grade school. Like I said, I haven't seen that since like the first week they released. And then got Lakers hats, $20 for these. These are a snapback right here. $20 for the Lakers hats as the finals right there. And then this one, oh, this one's pretty much the same thing. It is a fitted hat though. They only have one size left. 7 5/8. $20 for Mitchell and Ness fitted hats. Normally $40, not bad. Got corduroy Dodgers hat. I've never even seen this. This is pretty fire. 7 5/8. These go for $50 though. That's just too rich for my blood. We even got these dunks right here. Are you serious? $1.15 for these. Everything going up, but they got these dunks. That's crazy. I definitely did not think I'd see these here. That's pretty fire. That's fire. And then this is another spot that does have the red cement 4s. Haven't seen these in too many spots in LA, so that is pretty freaking fire. Then also have a pair of these. This is probably the last one, size 13. The black toe Jordan 1 lows. That is pretty dope. Those are OGs too, OGs. And then got these bad boys just released. I think these will be better on feet than the gray ones. I tried the gray ones, I wasn't a fan. So I had to not get them, dude. Then I've been waiting for these to go on sale. Gotta keep checking. This is why you hit up some of the lower volume malls, some of the malls where stuff just doesn't move. We found a lot of heat here so far. This is fire, dude. All right, I've been looking for some Crocs for my kiddo. I think I'm gonna go with these. You can take these off right here. It does have plastic on the sides. Well, maybe he won't like these. I don't know. They are kind of shiny. These are only $30. So like that, those aren't bad. I'm thinking of those. These ain't bad right here. $30. Half-baked one right here. This will fit some people. It's not gonna work for my kiddo. Normally 60 down to 40. Got a bunch of Iversons on sale. Well, a few of them. Like prices aren't that great. 25th anniversary ones. Got these. We saw these for 60 over there. And then these, I kind of do want this pair right here. Kind of do want those eventually. I don't want to pay $110 though. And got the Kobe one. Got those for hella cheap. They're still regular price here. That's why I say shop around. And then I was also thinking about this right here. Yeah, because that's pretty dope. But I just saw on Instagram that, hey, someone released something, so I might have to head out. I'm gonna try to stop by a couple more stores, but I need to make it quick now. Got a bunch of stuff on sale. Look at this. I did hear from someone that they marked down a ton of stuff. Freaking tech fleece. These are normally $70. So these are $60. These are $18. That's pretty fire. They got this colorway right here, multiple sizes. The gray one, that's the one that I'm thinking about. This one right here. A ton of Nikes. I don't know. Oh yeah. It's in the middle right here. So I'm pretty sure all this stuff is 70% off, which is pretty freaking fire. The cargo pants, Nike cargo pants, normally $70. These are pretty fire. I'm gonna have to grab some more stuff eventually. I'm kind of in a hurry now. Tech fleece right here. These normally are, what are these? These are normally what? $85, and these are all 70% off. This one's pretty fire right here. But I'm kind of in a hurry now. So we're gonna look at a few more things, and then I'm gonna move on to the next spot. There's a Foot Locker. There's also, I think, a Finish Line way up over there, but I think we're gonna have to skip those today. 8 minutes ago, they just released the freaking Nike Dunk SB Low Fog. That's the one I've been looking for. But yeah, Extreme Board Shop just released them 8 minutes ago in all their locations. So I'm gonna see if I can go to one of them. Let's check the store out real quick. So I go to Cerritos, they don't have these anywhere, and then this mall they got them everywhere. What the hell? That's why it depends on which mall you do go to on opening day. Maybe these will go on sale here. Chic's been having all kinds of stuff on sale. Remember, if you see a sale sign, it is 20% off the sale price. So tons and tons of Jordans on sale, which is pretty freaking fire. God dang it, I feel so dumb. I should have just grabbed those. They had the white and red ones here, and it was even on sale for like, I think it was like $50. I should have just grabbed them. But yeah, they do got the Zoom Freaks. I can't believe the Zoom Freak 5s are on sale. I can't believe it. They got so many. They have 2 different displays. LeBron's, these pretty much go down to 100. Pretty much the same as the Nike refurbished website. I did talk about that. I hope you guys checked out that video. I know that most of y'all just watch the vlogs, so I know the numbers. I've seen it. But yeah, they got the LeBrons, next gens, pretty much $100. I'm too lazy to do the math, but yeah, I think we're gonna call it a day. Well, with this video at least, I'm gonna hit up at least 1 or 2 more shops. $80 for that after the sale. Pretty close to 100 for these. But yeah, man, not bad, not bad. Shoe Palace had these for 150. I forgot to show them. They didn't have these colorways, so these are some newer colorways. But yeah, I think we're gonna wrap it up. I think hopefully it's long enough. I try to get these videos long enough. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, you guys, because I do drop a ton of videos. Hopefully you guys turn on the notification bells too. And check out the membership. If you guys want to check out the membership, check out the membership. Leave me a comment if you guys have issues joining the membership or whatever. But yeah, we're gonna cut this one short. Hopefully I can. Y'all will see if I get those the fog dunks or not. Let's go. All right, driving 40 minutes, man. Freaking traffic is crazy. 40 minutes to try to see if I can get these Nike SB, the Nike low SB dunks. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not. What the F are you doing, dog? How can you drive slower?
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Candlewood Street.
Can you drive any slower? Holy cow. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna grab these. I don't think I'm gonna get there early enough. Yeah, I don't see it happening. I don't know. We'll see. Border Skate Shop out in Montebello. I actually came here to check out the Lakais. And look what we have here. What's going on? Got both colorways of the SB Dunks right here. I don't remember the colorways of these, but they do have multiple sizes, which is pretty fire. Looks like they just received shipment, so that is pretty fire. Dunks actually available. SB Dunks actually available. Pretty fire. I'm gonna pass on these. I'm not digging the color, but they are here. Pretty dope. And then Shoe Palace with these. I've never even seen these before, so that is actually pretty fire. Yeah, man, that's pretty fire. This is men's sizes too. Dope. And this Shoe Palace does have the red cement 4s. Have not seen this in too many places, to be really honest, so that is fire to have men's pairs here. So 8.5 on